Hello, how's it going? Look, not going to keep you long today. Nice, short, quick, easy, delicious video here. We're going to make some za'atar bread, which I'm using on a salad. So I've got some pita bread here, or kubus, as it's known in the Arab world. What I'm going to do is I'm using some scissors and I'm cutting it into some thin strips. You can cut it into squares or something if you like, but I'm just going to go with this. To that, we're going to add a herb, a mixed blend called za'atar. If you can't get za'atar, you can make it, or you could maybe try and use something different. You know, maybe like some oregano, chili powder, things like that, some paprika. So I've got, you know, like a decent amount on there, like a kind of 2 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add some olive oil to that, give it a mix, and I'm going to pop this into my air fryer for just about 10 minutes, or about 180. Slightly less actually. If you don't have an air fryer, you can just put it on a metal tray, stick it in the oven for, you know, 10-15 minutes. You kind of want to dry it out basically, and that's it. You've kind of done it. And I'm just going to put this on a salad. So za'atar itself is oregano, marjoram, thyme, sumac and sesame seeds. It's a beautiful blend. You can make it or buy it in stores. I've got a little kind of salad there, just a nice easy salad. If you want, put some olive oil on it, and then I'm just going to put this bread on the top. Really, really simple. Now you can put this on other things if you want. But yeah, nice, easy, quick recipe for you today. And that's it, job done. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and do try this out because it really is delicious. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. So if you like what you've seen here, it does help the channel out a great deal. If you could leave me a comment, just say hello, just ask how I'm doing. Or subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you later.